Lately, are you facing issues in concentrating on any of your work or education related, or just clarity of thought in general in life? Then here is one Vastu tip for you that you can incorporate into your lives, be it at any stage, where you can actually get a lot better clarity of and focus and concentration, either be it in your education or business pursuits or just life in general. What you have to do is purchase a focus dot photo frame from any Vastu certified store and hang it anywhere between 6 feet and above in your space. There are three zones of which are going to help you benefit for. First one being your northeast zone. Your northeast, like the attributes associated is mind and clarity. So for those of you who feel that you don't know how to go about, who don't know about what to do in the future, or you feel you lack the concentration or focus to approach anything in life, go about placing this in your northeastern zone. Second, choose your west zone. Your west is related to gains and profits. So having them placed here, especially in related business related ventures, can help you get better focus and concentration to help you understand which is the right approach to take in investing or probably reaping benefits as well. The third zone that we have is the west southwest zone. Like you guys know, the west southwest zone deals with education attributes. So for those of you who have children or who are children and you want to increase your focus, concentration, and to get better clarity of mind to absorb all that you read, go about placing this particular photo frame in this particular zone. To do this, stand in the center of your space, locate these zones, and you can see whichever element makes more sense to you and place it in that particular wall. Make sure the wall is clean and neat, no breaks, no cuts, nothing is there. It's hanged anywhere from 6 feet and above from the ground level. And that is it. You don't have to do any rituals, no pujas, nothing. You simply have to hang the photo frame to reap the benefits.